Hey guys, it's Lonan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an undiscovered songs you may or may not have heard of. I just want to throw a quick disclaimer out there. If you have heard of these songs, that's perfectly fine. The reason why the title is undiscovered is because I see a lot of these videos going around YouTube like Get Lit With Memes, and literally every single video is people using the same songs and it's getting really boring, and I want to switch it up and give you guys something fresh and new that you may or may not have heard. I feel like these are smaller artists that you might not have heard of, but if you have, then let's just bust out to some really good songs, and I hope you take something from the video and find some new songs that you like. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram and Snapchat are going to be on screens now. The subscribe button is down there. Without further ado, I want to listen to some music. This song is She Twerking by Cash Out. It's one of the more popular songs from this playlist, but it's kind of like from a few years ago, so not that many people might have heard it, but if you didn't, have a listen. This is Let It Ring by Mo Stock. I found this from Amy Menzies. My girl Amy hit me up in the DMs and she was like, this song is called Let It Ring. Thanks for the shout out of the song, Amy, because when I tried to Shazam your intro, it was too short to Shazam. Just a little another disclaimer, if you think my dancing is cringy and you're gonna laugh at me, if you're gonna start hating on me for what I'm doing, then you can click the X. This is Lights On by H.E.R. Her. I don't know. It's dark outside. I'm feeling right with you. Leave the low out the bum. This song is called When Will I See You Again by Shaka, and it's the Amarataka remix. It's gonna be on screen, but yeah, I found this like a couple of years back. I never heard anyone listen to it, and it's a really good song, so check it out. It's hard to adjust though, 'cause you with a road, realize. Just imagine me playing the drums here, or whatever instrument this is. This is on Fleek by Cardi B. I do it nice 70s. Oh my god, I don't do nothing for free, you know I got a job. Swear, watch me, swear, boy, you gotta curve. I'm on my. This is kind of another popular artist, but I feel like I haven't heard this song anywhere. It's Willy Wonka by Macklemore. I'm not familiar with the lyrics, so I'm just gonna pretend I know the words, as per usual, as every other song. With the dookie rope and little boosie on, I'm eating sushi rolls, doing the tootsie roll, think about future goals, hit it with you been on. I'm in a neutral zone, I'm about to lose control, and I'm hopping out. You think it's Rick Ross? I'm pulling out, and that made back, and it got that from the thrift shop. This next song is Shade by IMBD. DDB. She just said it. Bad bitch, no underwear. 2020 gon' pull up an ad, yeah. Bitch, I know where you can go home. Uber everywhere, yeah. Have a little faith in me, yeah. That's all I need, yeah. Hello. The next song is Masagio by Miss Nabrejo or something like that. But check it out. Love you until I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my. I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. I touch, he wasn't in the end. This is Rough Soul by Goldlink. I found this in Colours YouTube. Gonna be linked below because their songs on there are amazing, but check this artist out because he is sick.
Had to go to LA for the winter, had to vibe out, just got a door, till I had down. Yeah, real nigga talk snake till you told you bring your girlfriend, tell her bring her friends too.
This is Crew by Goldlink as well. I love this one so much. It's such like a jam song. A jam song? Is that a thing?
You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me where have you been? I didn't girl, don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan.
This is Love by Dean, another song from Colours, and I love it. Oh my god.
Second to nothing, you come, baby. All I take is slow. When you're ready, let me know. I know somewhere we can go to unwind.
This is Bad For Me by Etta Bond, and I put this picture on Instagram and she freaking texted me because I tagged her. I was like, for me,
I think I love him cause he's bad.
for me. This is You Never Call Me Now by Jadu, Jadu, and Miramasa. Mira, you should all know by now because she is sick. I feel like I'm in High School Musical and I'm like oh my god, I'm so cringe. This is Bad Blood by Nao, N-A-O, another artist you might know, but if you don't, you should definitely check her out. Or him, I'm not sure what gender, but whatever. It's good music. I'm pretty sure it's a girl though.
You're a holiday, a glass of ocean slipping down. My friend landing on my hopes, I'm dreaming of the max, no hidden grids, I'm fleeing.
This is Reload by Kenzo Alvarez. I took his class before in dancing. Such an amazing man, crazy talented.
Kenzo.
Check it out. His songs are so sick. Oh my god.
I am not a wannabe, but I wanna be like me. Like what you see. See me go ski on that ski. Ski on that ski on that heat. You know that me. You know that burger like Burger King better than Mackey is what they say. But I'm like bruh. People been writing these roses and think that they cowboys, but I keep it king to see bruh.
So bullshit that.
Lace to the gun dad.
This is Passion Fruit by Mayboo. At the start of her song she says Mayboo, but it's spelled Maybell, so I'm just like, what? And this is the point where my camera died, but I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like a part 2 because I have 1,000,001 more songs to share with you guys. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, I love you all and peace out.